Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Google Chrome web browser on your HP SPECTRE X360. To do that, you're gonna have to open your Microsoft Edge web browser, then open a new tab and enter any search engine of your preference, and then enter Google Chrome. And you will definitely find the Google page, google.com/Chrome, as the first result. Just open it and then click download Chrome in the middle of the page. Then around the Chrome setup file, click yes. And now we have to simply wait until this browser is downloaded and installed. Then it will be opened automatically. Okay, and once the browser is downloaded, we can choose whether to sign in or stay signed out by choosing the respective option. Then if you want to set Google Chrome as your default browser, click the respective option in the bottom right corner. Otherwise, just skip this step. And now you are ready to use your Google Chrome web browser. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.